ఏడుకొండలవాడ వెంకటరమణ గోవింద గోవింద ఆపద ముక్కులవాడ నాథరక్షక గోవింద గోవింద.
Om Namo Venkatesaya. This is one of the most memorable experience that ever happened to me in my life. I have actually shared this experience in Tamil in an earlier video, but this is for the benefit of people who do not understand Tamil and for sharing my experience to the larger group of audience. So this happened to me way back in 2017, where we booked a random date to Tirumala. 3 of us, myself, my husband and mother-in-law. We did not have any big plans except that train tickets were available and darshan tickets were available. So we booked tickets to Tirumala and we started well ahead of time. We started at around 12 o'clock from our residence. It was around, we had around 2 hours to reach the Madras Central Railway Station. So since we had ample time left, and so we started our journey through cab to the railway station, and unfortunately someone met with an accident on our way. So what happened was there was a huge traffic jam and all the vehicles were moving at a snail pace. The moment we entered railway station, we could see the train departing in front of us. So we had to miss our train. We didn't have any choice. So we didn't know what to do. So actually our initial plan was to reach Tirupati by 6 o'clock, to have a darshan at Tiruchanur on the same day and stay at Tiruchanur and reach Tirumala the very next day. I had a friend working in Tirumala who took care of my accommodation and other things. My mother-in-law was a little aged person and I cannot afford to roam with her without any proper plans. So accommodation was taken care of. So unfortunately we missed this train and we had to book the subsequent train at 4 o'clock in the evening. So we didn't have any choice but to reach Tirupati at 8:30. So Tiruchanur would be closed by that time. So having Tiruchanur darshan was not possible. And we reached Tirumala, and so there is no point in staying at Tiruchanur. So we decided why not go to Tirumala on the same day. So we went to Tirumala and our accommodation and other things were ready because my friend was working there. So we settled ourselves and I called my friend to thank him. Thank you for we are settled and the accommodation is comfortable and things like that. I just made a courtesy call. My friend told me, why not you go and have a darshan? Darshan queues are supposed to be very free now. So we took a local jeep and we went to the darshan queue. We were the last people to enter the queue, and once we entered, the queue was closed right behind us. We had a very good darshan and we just came out. To our surprise, the way out, the end point, the end point was actually totally different. The exit point was different from what we saw the previous year. So we were like murmuring amongst ourselves. We were talking amongst ourselves, why there is so many changes. It's been a year since we actually came here, but still there are so many changes in Tirumala. But to our surprise, even now when I recollect that incident, I get a lot of goosebumps. It was a huge surprise package. The exit point was nothing but Sorgavasal, Vaikuntavasal. The day we actually went was the day subsequent to Vaikunta Ekadasi. So if we had gone by our original plan, we would have reached Tirumala 2 days after Vaikunta Ekadasi and we would have missed this Sorgavasal darshan. And I totally believe this is an act of God. So we were like jumping with joy As we actually entered Surgavasal, Vaikuntavasal, and it was the most memorable incident. Previously, I have not, even in local temples, no, local Balaji temples also, have not had any Surgavasal darshan. My first ever Surgavasal darshan was Tirumala. So even if I think of it today, I get a lot of goosebumps. Even today, on any Vaikunta Ekadasi day, we recollect this incident. So something that is very very memorable, and something that is an act of God. The accident, the missing of my train and all. If we had gone by our original plan, we would not have reached there on the day subsequent to Vaikunta Ekadasi. The 2 days after Vaikunta Ekadasi, all the decorations and other things would have stopped, and they wouldn't have let us for Surgavasal darshan. So this is one of the most memorable incident that ever happened to me in my life. So I felt like sharing this with you all. Thank you for listening till the end. Om Namo Venkatesaya.